When your Yamaha receiver remote stops working, batteries are the most common culprit, accounting for 60% of all remote control problems. Even partially depleted batteries can cause intermittent functionality. Always use high-quality alkaline batteries and avoid generic brands for reliable performance. If battery replacement doesn't solve the problem, the issue is likely with the infrared signal path between your remote and receiver. Infrared signals require a clear line of sight between the remote and receiver. The optimal range is 6 to 20 feet within a plus or minus 30-degree angle from center. Common interference sources include LED lights, fluorescent bulbs, direct sunlight, and dust accumulation on the receiver's infrared sensor. Regular cleaning of the infrared sensor is essential. Use a soft, dry cloth to remove dust and debris that can block the signal path. To test if your remote is actually sending infrared signals, you can use your smartphone camera as a diagnostic tool. Point your smartphone camera at the remote's infrared LED and press any button. If the remote is working, you'll see a purple or white light through the camera screen. These basic troubleshooting steps resolve the majority of Yamaha remote control issues. If problems persist after checking batteries and infrared signals, advanced reset procedures may be required. When basic battery replacement and infrared troubleshooting don't resolve your Yamaha remote issues, advanced reset procedures can restore functionality. Start with a soft reset, which is the safest option. First, remove the batteries from your remote control and set them aside. Wait exactly 30 seconds, then press and hold any button on the remote for 10 seconds while the batteries remain out. This drains any residual power. Finally, reinstall fresh batteries and test the remote. This soft reset resolves most programming conflicts without losing your receiver settings. If the soft reset doesn't work, try a factory reset. Warning: this will erase all your receiver settings and require complete reconfiguration. Power off your receiver completely. Then, locate the straight and info buttons on the front panel. Hold both buttons while powering the receiver back on. Release the buttons when the display shows "init." The receiver will restart and return to factory defaults. You'll need to reconfigure all your audio settings. You may also need to reset the remote's programming. Press and hold both code set and power buttons simultaneously for 3 seconds. The LED indicator should blink twice, confirming the reset. Then enter your receiver's model-specific code to complete the programming. If problems persist, consider modern alternatives. Yamaha's MusicCast app can serve as a backup remote control, and newer receiver models have improved infrared signal processing. These reset procedures resolve most advanced remote control issues. Always start with the soft reset to preserve your settings, and consider the MusicCast app as a reliable backup solution.